Good morning guys! It's 2:30 a.m. 2:30 ng umaga and gigisingin natin si Andres. But he's already awake! Good morning, Andres! Good morning. Medyo nag-in pa siya. We're going to McDonald's. May sasabihin ako sa inyo later. But for now, we have to fix Andres. Come on, let's go. Going to McDonald's.
I think we're going to Park and Fly again. Because you're like, we're going to Park and Fly.
Why do you think Park and Fly?
Because you're acting like we're going somewhere in the airport.
Really? We're just going to McDonald's.
If I see we're going to Park and Fly, ibalik mo ulit dito, sama mo si Kuya.
Sige.
Sige.
Iwawa naman siya eh.
Kasama naman natin si Kuya sa McDonald's eh.
I want Boracay na.
So yun nga guys, hindi mo na siya maloloko. Kasi sanay na siya ng mga eksenang madaling araw, gigising siya tapos pupunta somewhere. So ngayon parang hindi kakagat yung McDonald's. Kasi pagmulat niya, I think we're going to Park and Fly. Pero dun nga talaga punta namin. So today we'll have weekend in Boracay! Yay! So guys, we're gonna go to Boracay again. But this time with the family. Nako, naririnig niya. So ayun na nga. Kita-kits tayo. And
Did I hear
we'll see
Boracay?
you.
Did I hear the word Boracay?
Okay, so, ayan na, excited na siya. So, let's go!
Hi guys, today we're in the airport and we're going to Boracay. I'll see you soon in the nice beach. Let's go! Hi guys, we arrived in the airport na. So, we are gonna wait for our South Pacific Airlines. We're just waiting for our Terminal 3 to end. So, bye-bye and see you in the airplane. Guys, so now we're in the airplane. It's like crazy ba yan? Yeah. And now we'll just wait for 10,000 billion years.
Pwesto na siya dun, mag-selfie na siya dun sa may window.
Yeah. It feels like a roller coaster. Hallelujah!
Okay, finally, we arrive here in Katiklan Airport, Boracay. So, we are now here at Savoy Van, going to Savoy Hotel. Welcome to Newcos! I'm so excited kasi this is the first time na makakasama ko yung family ko. First time nila mag-check-in sa Savoy at ma-experience yung private beach natin doon. So, thank you so much! See you later!
afternoon, people! Mabuhay! Welcome to Boracay New Coast. So, tatawid tayo sa kabila, sa private beach. Galing lang kami sa Savoy kanina. Nag-swimming si Andres. Umaura tayo doon. So, ngayon, we're gonna go to the private beach dito sa Cove 2, sa front ng Belmont Hotel. So, ayan siya. Going there. So, ayan. Dito ngayon. Hi, guys! So,
Hi guys,
napakaganda ng weather ngayon dito sa Boracay.
today's family day.
Yes. At pag ako nadapa, tawa na lang po kayo. Okay, so see you later. Enjoy Boracay!
Open roads, dancing where the music flows. Laughter echoes in the air. With friends like these, there's no despair.
We're living the summer vibe underneath the open sky. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the freedom in your soul. Every day's a brand new high. In the season we can fly.
Sipping drinks beneath the sun. Endless days of summer fun.
Fish.
Fireworks that light the night. We're the stars that shine so bright.
Sandy toes and salty hair. Memories we'll always share.
And we're now here sa Station 2. Okay, so kanina after namin doon sa Cove Beach, we traveled dito sa Station 2 para abutan sana namin yung sunset. Kaya lang medyo malilim ngayon. Low tide, so you can see low tide siya. Good na rin na hindi masyadong mataas yung araw. Ibig sabihin, hindi kami masyadong kukutim. So yun lang, let's enjoy Boracay later. Lakad-lakad kami dito along the side. Magbe-beach lang muna kami habang may liwanag pa. Then, magdi-dinner na kami somewhere there. So maybe sa Surf and Turf. Wow, may special mention. So yun, thank you so much. See you later.
Hi guys, today we're in Boracay Beach and I want to show you my new Oobleck sand. First, dig a big hole and then see all that water with sand in it. Look, that will become Oobleck. So just wait for it to dry, okay? And then hard sand, but not that hard because it's good for a bath.
Oh, hi! Nightlife dito sa nightlife. Gabi na dito sa D-Mall. Labot kami ng Shamsham. Pero nakakain na kami ng dinner. So, we're now heading back to Jollibee para sa aming pick up. At mamahinga na sa hotel. Kota na tayo for today's video. See you tomorrow!
Good morning guys, so we're about to have breakfast and later we're going there.
Okay, so yung papaya very precious sa amin. Kagabi nag-buffet kami, nagpusa kami ng papaya. Dumali sa Boracay para sa papaya. Sarap kasi naman. Mahal kasi sa binyan.
Are you happy with the Coco Ranch?
10 out of 10. This is the exact milk that I have.
The food is good as always. Wow! So, dahil food coma tayo ngayong umaga, hindi ko alam paano magsuswimsuit ng... Hindi bakat ang mga kinain ko ngayong umaga. Very wrong. Salamat po. Very wrong. But overall, the food is good and the breakfast view is good. So, kain pa tayo.
Hi, you want to see a seal?
Good morning, guys. It's day 2. We're gonna go to Pupa Beach. Pero mag-keyhole pala muna kami. So, see you there!
Anyway, baby, it's so much. And I feel just like a foolish. Shy of down, stupid loser. I'm low, 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 low. 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 Swear we'll be better than I was. I thought that I was special. We will be together, but I've never been so wrong.
Okay guys, so windy dito sa Baguio, hindi dito sa beach. Grabe yung hangin. Talagang hindi kami makapag-water activities dahil sa sobrang hangin. So we're now heading to Boracay New Coast Keyhole. Papunta kami sa Keyhole. So ito pa din yung beach ng Cove 2. As you can see, ang ganda, 'di ba? So beautiful. So punta tayo doon sa Keyhole. Sabi ng boss ko, shout out dun sa boss ko, ang pangalan niya si LH na lang. Sabi ng boss ko, pag daw pupunta ako dito, mag-throw daw ako ng coin, tapos mag-wish daw ako doon sa dagat. Doon sa may malapit sa Keyhole. First time ako napunta dito, nag-throw ako. Natupad, nakalain mo yon. Si Lord yon, Faith yon. So, isa pa. So, tinuro ko din kay Andres. Sabi ko, throw ka din ng coins mamaya, mag-wish ka. Hindi ko alam kung ano wish niya, pero ako may wish na ako. So, yun lang. Let's see the beautiful view of Cove 2 and the Boracay New Coast Keyhole. Yay! The water! Yay! Water! Saan? Okay! Oh, yay! Puga-puga!
Picture mo tayo dun.
Have a picture in the sandcastle. That's that's a mandatory. Not required, but mandatory. Ano kaya yun? We are now here sa Puka Beach. Look how beautiful the blue-green water dito. So, ibang view naman to. Kanina super windy dun sa New Coast. So, ngayon, windy pa rin naman. But medyo controlled yung hangin dito. Plus, ganda ng sand. Di siya kasing white yung sa Long Beach, syempre. Pero, very fine din siya. At andun na si Andres. Enjoy na siya sa wave. So, hindi tayo magpapahuli. Magsuswimming tayo. Kaya, see you later. Okay, bye guys!
Wonders is here in Jollibee.
Not 32.
32 pa.
Tanto yung...
Welcome. Fishes on. Fish!
Hi guys, so we left the beach. We are about to go to the hotel back. To the hotel.
guys.
Hi guys, today I'm eating tanggulu from South Korea. Here what it looks like. And smells good too. Oh yeah, they're right. It is pretty hard. Oh, sweet, sweet. Sorry. Sweet. The best candy in the world. 엄청 잘해.
Habulin natin ang 8 o'clock service ng sabon para makaswimming pa tayo. Okay, let's go!
Makanggulo! Makanggulo! Makang! By that falls.
Hi! Ito tayo kay Coco Mama right now. Coco Mama. Hey, 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 hey! Here we go, the Coco Mama. Let's eat, let's try. Try mo yung pandan. Uy, parang latik siya, daddy, oh, in the middle. Tignan mo yung bottom. The reason why I like it, look at the buko. Super real. Monday.
What's up?
Good morning, guys. Today is our last morning here in Boracay. We're gonna leave before lunch. Now, mag-ready na kami for breakfast and packing up our gamit. Pero may isang batang sad. Tingnan niyo siya. As Uya, he's sad. After sleeping in the beach. Rising up. Look at the beautiful horizon. Bye, Boracay. See you again. Bye, Bishi. Oo, doon o. Naglaro ikaw doon sa beach na yun, diba? Good morning and goodbye, Boracay. See you again.
Mami, daddy, sim naman tayo dito. Lagi na lang dyan.
Sige, mamaya pagkakain. Hindi ka lang. Para you still have time to eat.
Sabi mo, today I'm dark.
Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. Look.
Hindi mo pa yung strings mo. Galing naman. Bye. See you later. Bye. Be careful, ha?
I gave it to you. In your bit, baby.
Swear I will be better than I was. I thought that I was special. We will be together, but I've never been so wrong. Tell me, was it worth it? My heavy heart is broken, but now you tell me.
So guys, we're going back to the airport because today is the last day. So bye-bye Boracay, and I'm gonna miss you. Mommy, we're gonna do the toys of the money, ha? So we can have 4 days dito again, ha?
Opo. Thank you so much, Savoy Hotel.
We'll check out now and we're going to the airport.
Swear I will be better than I was. I thought that I was special. We will be together, but I've never been so wrong. Tell me, was it worth it? My heavy heart is broken, but now you tell me that you're
Okay, so uwi na. We're now heading to Patiklan Port. Baba na energy na. But still, thank you so much, Savoy. Thank you so much, Mega World. Thank you so much, Jerry. See you again next time. Work hard, party harder.
blue.
8 o'clock service ng sabon.